Yo, hey, it's your boy Struggle Captain, your one and only small boy in the Vegas Small. Yo, hey, it's your boy Struggle Captain, your one and only small boy in the Vegas Small.
Cab. Yeah, that's your boy when he's depressed. That's your boy when he's stressed. He now takes his memory back, but which is not the actually what is.
Yo, hey, it's your boy Struggle Captain, your one and only small boy in the FAO JH6500 horsepower.
Guys. Today's date is 23 September 2024. We're out here at Kazungula stuck. I think this is my third night right here at Kazungula. This is my third night right here at Kazungula. We loaded in South Africa on Tuesday. Already it's this is the following week following week Monday. We're still stuck here right here. So this is me. I'm just waking up. My time is exactly 2 minutes to 11. That's me waking up. It's time now to search for food. If it was not about hunger, I was not willing to wake up. I just wanted to wake up with the call of from the agent that the paperwork is ready for you to go. So without wasting much of our time, let's do what we are supposed to do when we wake up. Yeah, let's go about opening our kittens. Yeah, we now need to do our bed.
So right now, guys, we just want to So right now, guys, we are done. Whatever we are doing, it's time to famush to the market. Yes, now it's time for us to famush to the market. This is your boy Struggle Captain.
So guys, in today's video, spend a day with me here, right here at Kazungula. We are stuck. There is no paperwork. Okay, if I said we are stuck, there is no paperwork, I'll be lying. We are stuck because of paperwork, due to paperwork. So we don't know what's happening. We don't know whether we are going to be released today. We don't know whether we'll be released right now. We don't know we are going to be released in the next 1 hour or what. So spend a day with me right here at Kazungula border post. This is our JH6 500 horsepower. This truck was just supposed to be handed over it, then I'm given a specific route where I will be known that I don't have delay, so that I can enjoy this vehicle. Not to say I get this vehicle then I get stuck like this, sitting like this. No. Go people, it's your boy Struggle Captain. Spend a day with me. Let's go out. So this is our truck, and right now this is plastic full of rubbish. Let me grab my cap. Let's put on my cap, then we'll grab this plastic and go out with it. Where are our keys? These are our keys. That one. So let's go out with our plastic. Okay, so right here we just by click of a button, look what happens. Come on. What's wrong, boy? Let's check what's wrong. It's locked. So it's locked by just a click of a button. So as we are going to let me open. Let's look again. So as we are going to search for the food at the market, let's go and pick up our friends, our colleagues, which are right there. Let's go.
Sama toro kain. Kau usah kacau udah.
Hello, Bridget. Oh, good
Say it's
evening.
not activated in 4G. Do you know what?
When did you buy that system?
Last week.
Where? You bought it where?
That guy put here.
Okay, you can see simple there, by the umbrella. Ask for simple.
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 By the umbrella.
I want talk time, Bridget.
For Airtel.
Yeah, for it.
Let me see.
Just talk and direct to that.
What do you mean by that?
You want minutes, see, or I send that and then you buy minutes there, or that.
Oh, so I can buy minutes
You want for calling or for bundles?
for
What?
calling.
Just for calling.
But I want to call everyone. MTN,
Okay.
Airtel. Okay, so right here, right now, guys, it's your boy Struggle Captain. He's finally out of the barber shop. Yeah, that's the barber shop. It's your boy from the barber shop. He's looking fine. He's looking good. Very, very, very smart. Yeah. So right now, your boy is from the barber shop, as you can see. Yes, this cut it only costed 70 kwacha. Yes, we are right here in Zambia. Yes, this cut is for 70 kwacha, guys. This cut is for 70 kwacha. So right now, back to our truck. My colleagues have left me because my cut was taking a lot of time. So yeah. Let's go back to the truck right now. I'm now alone. This is what it is in Zambia. Burning for temperatures are at 42 degrees Celsius. If I'm wrong, I think it's 41. Yeah, 42 degrees Celsius. So you can already see my guys there. Inside there. That's where we are going. Yeah. Let's take a walk there. It is what it is, guys. My time is exactly 6:43. Yes, 17 minutes to 7. We're out here still at Kazungula. Nothing is progressing. No paperwork. We're still here, still stuck. Yeah, that's all about my day. And right now, we're going to get some food again so that we can trim well. While our Hindustans are very happy. This is the view right here at Kazungula. During that night, we are going to the local restaurants to get some shimban and zomba. Yes, then we sleep. That will be a good night. Let me take a walk until I arrive there. Okay guys, I'm done eating now. I'm going to my truck. My colleagues, I left them because they are waiting for I don't know what do you call these things. So they're still waiting tokens. Yeah. As soon as they're going to get the tokens, they're going to start playing pool. I don't know until what time, but me, My time is exactly 8:28. It's now dark. It's time to vamoose. It's time to go get in where it is warm, relax, put my legs on the bed and started doing some chatting, you know. Hi, how are you? I'm good, and you? Okay, fine. Greeting some family members, talking to my people. Yeah. So a lot of you be like, we can see your number. No, just tell us you didn't watch the whole video. That's it. And that's it. There is no way that you didn't see my number on my previous video. There is no way. Not on the previous video. I don't think it's a previous video. It's a video. It's a video which I did crossing. Yeah, finally arriving in Zambia. That is the caption, or that is the title of my video, which got my number. That video, if you watch all of it, you get my number. Those who watched, they can even testify in the comment section they got my number. But anyway, that's not the point of the story. The point of the story is that it's dark. We are stuck at Kazungula today on Monday, 23 September. We are stuck here. Nothing is happening, and we are just waking up, sleeping, waiting for the paperwork. All the truckers that are sleeping now right here at Kazungula. So let's head in and sleep inside our cab. Let's go and look for the 500 horsepower. Let's go and look for the 500 horsepower. I'm tired. Ta-da! There he is. Why are your lights on inside the cab, bro? Why? Did I just forget to switch off? Toro! Look at these guys. This is our GH6500 horsepower. Let's go inside. Nowadays we don't put the key inside the door. We just do like this. Open. Let's go in. Let's go in. Let's go in. Welcome back into our mansion. Welcome back into our hotel. Yeah, guys, I'm back in my hotel. This is my hotel. So right now what I'm gonna basically do is I'm going to fold my blankets. After folding my blankets, I'm gonna see, and then after editing the video, I'm gonna upload it. That's it, guys. Welcome to the end. That's it, guys. Welcome to the end of our video. Yes, it's your boy. Yes, welcome to the end of the day with your boy Struggle Captain, your one and only small boy in the JH6500 horsepower. Yes, I don't know whether did I miss out, but anyway, wait like that, guys. Wait, I'm coming. Okay, as I promised you to wait, now I'm back. Cool, guys. Let's suggest this, guys. I have dedicated myself that I should be giving you a video at least per day, or at least per 2 days. Now, since we've stopped, our vehicle is stationary, there is nothing we can do about making videos. So what do you suggest? Let's do some story time, guys. Yes, let's do some story time. Suggest in the comment section. Let's drop, ask, request. As soon as I see the comment, I'm going to react, and I'm going to do a video that I'm going to upload. Because right now, guys, we are very stuck. There is nothing much is going to happen. We're going to be guys, I don't know. Right here, that's where you can see. I don't know, what do you suggest, guys? I think we should be started doing some storytelling. Let me know what do you want to hear. Let me know what you want to know in the comment section. Let me know. This is the time, since I'm very free, I'm doing nothing, busy doing nothing. And let's not forget, guys, as we spoke earlier before, to those that have recently subscribed, you haven't heard about this story or you haven't watched that video, I have requested you guys to list down the comments in the comment section your comments as per request, in format of questions. Ask whatever you want to ask more, or give me questions more directly to a dedication video that I'm gonna be doing with my controller. That will be an interview with my controller. I'm going to be interviewing my controller. Basically, it will be more like a video of what can I say? Yeah, we'll be interviewing my controller, basically in terms of my personal background information at work, how they see me, or how does he feel working with me, what are the challenges he faces as a controller compared to the challenges that I face as a driver. So let us not forget that interview. We haven't forgot about that interview. It's a matter of time, but I haven't got the questions from you guys. Some of you are just watching, you're not reaching this part of the video where I have requested such questions. Please guys, do comment down in the comment section. Ask me your questions, which are going to be, which you need to hear me asking my controller. I'll write them down. As soon we head back to South Africa, we're gonna be doing an interview with my controller. That's the story for today. And in the same comment section, don't forget to ask or request a video of any story that I can tell, so that we can do storytelling in the comment section as your boy Struggle Captain. Right now, I'm gonna be sleeping, guys. I'm gonna be doing my bed. After doing my bed, I'm gonna be editing this video and bring it to you. Thank you so much. If you're new on this channel, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit to click on the notification bell, so that you'll be the first to be notified. Your boy Struggle Captain, one and only small boy in the 500 horsepower. You have uploaded a video. I love you so much. You are such a wonderful family. We have finally reached 3K, and now let's dedicate this month. We reach half of a road to 4K, so that it will be 3.5. So it's your boy. Thank you so much. Let your friend know your boy is here, and your boy Struggle Captain is doing the most right here on this channel, and let others know. Don't forget to also copy the link, share to others. I have understood and I've read and I've came through your questions in the comment section. Why are your videos we can't download them? Even myself, I'm not sure what could be the reason, or what could be the settings that I do use and I'm not aware of it. I'm working on that. I'm asking. But if you are really aware of what should I do, so that it can be set to default, or what I can do so that you can be able to download my videos, let me know, because me, I don't have knowledge about it. I won't lie, I'll swallow the pride. I don't know what is that setting which doesn't allow you. So if you know, you can tell me, then I do it, so that you'll be able to download videos, because I know some of you wish to see me, you wish to have my videos in your phone, then at your own personal time you watch them, because at your own personal time maybe you no longer be connected to Wi-Fi, maybe you're no longer having access to data. I understand. So that's the reason maybe you might want to download them. So yeah, thank you so much. It's your boy. I hope you enjoy. Good night, good people. I love you so much. Let's meet on the next day.